So you want to learn Chamorro and don't know where to start? This video is for you. Step 1. Ano Guatugi website lenguajita.com. Step 2. Adja kihinanaw mo. If you want something more class-like, check out the free lesson section. If you're on your phone, click this menu in the top left and you'll see free lessons. On a bigger screen, it'll be apparent at the top. Jemi, beginner Chamorro? Pesenaginay? 38 lessons for you to start. Every lesson has accompanying audio too. Do you prefer learning from stories? Pues Jemi, Chamorro stories and bam, 77 stories. 77. Every story has accompanying audio, the text in Chamorro, the translation in English, and language notes if applicable. Sa mga malefanay, not everything is one-to-one from Chamorro to English and English to Chamorro. Do you prefer music? Malakat lokwi, Jemi, Chamorro songs and iniginay. Last time I checked, there were about 71 songs. Every post has the song embedded, the lyrics, the translations, and taluna if applicable, language notes. The angin tinahongin no parahogo at any online resources. There's textbooks, dictionaries, religious texts. Gaigi todo. Step 3. Sa timanonadsan it nodza. Optional or super highly recommended. Find some family or friends to study with sa. Teamwork makes the dream work na. Look, the amount of Chamorro material out there nowadays for you to learn from, just ready at your fingertips, is, to be honest, baffling. So if you feel lost in the sauce, unsure of where to start, tutuun hagi lenguajita.com. Pas gusi, fanodak gatsong mo. Famay singi, familiar mo, manabok mo, hadzi malago umedzak fuminot sumo. Santungo afa, once you reach that level where you can start laughing and joking in Chamorro, nothing beats that. Lo no ha, si dus mo si at any websites na tungod na susumo. Sta.